Boracay at the moment, January 11, Sunday, 10 a.m. Joel Zosandrada here. At the moment, we are here in White Beach Station 2, and we are waiting for the arrival of Sadsad. The energy is high and the passion is felt as we anticipate the arrival of Sadsad. Check it out. Boracay Sadsad is a lively beachfront tradition where locals and visitors come together to dance, celebrate, and enjoy the island vibe. Rooted in Filipino culture, Sadsad means to dance, often spontaneously, to upbeat music right by the shore. It's all about fun, freedom, and community, making Boracay Sadsad a must-experience moment where music, movement, and island energy meet under the open sky. The celebration is closely tied to Viva Santo Niño, honoring the child Jesus, where dance becomes a form of prayer, gratitude, and devotion. Set against Boracay's iconic shores, Boracay Sadsad blends faith, culture, and festivity, bringing the island to life through joyful movement, music, and shared spirit. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's it for now. This has been Joe Zazar. Thank you for watching. Bye.